Hello my flourishing friends! I hope you're all doing well and have as awesome weather as we have the last days here in Holland. We really had 20 degrees and sunshine, blue sky. It's so amazing. Of course, sadly, we still try to stay inside as much as we have to, but the doggy is really thankful when we go out, so we take some long walks with her and enjoy the sun. Actually, it's Easter happening and I'm really excited because Easter for me is always really exciting because we get to hide and seek chocolate. And I prepared for you today a nice easy Easter card to make yourself, because I realized we didn't do a classic crafting video in quite some weeks and it's about time. So let's dive in. What I have here is a pre-cut card. I really like the paper because it has a bit of depth in it. Then I already cut a card with a little egg in it, and from the fitting paper also a little tag. We're gonna use that later. And I've got here some dog hair. Okay, we put that aside. The dog was really curious earlier. Yeah, I have here some stickers we're gonna use. I'm not sure which ones yet, except for the bunnies. We for sure gonna use those, but I'm gonna pop those aside for now. And what I had in mind was we're gonna glue this paper on the card, but what we're gonna do first is use the different washis I've prepared here to create a funny colored Easter egg. And how we're gonna do this, I'm gonna take a pencil and just gonna stencil the egg on here. By the way, if I sound a bit nosy, that's because with the sun, of course, all the flowers decided to bloom, which I think is really pretty, but I have a big allergy, so yeah, I'm sorry for being nosy. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna glue different straps of washi over the egg. I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, that's what I just did. For now it really looks shitty and messy, but I'm gonna get there in just a bit. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna glue the pre-cut card with the egg on it on top of what I just did, and just holding it onto it, you already see, oh, I have it the wrong way. You already see it looks way different and kind of cute. So I'm gonna glue that on real quick. There we go. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a black Sharpie and draw on the edge here and on the edge of the card. I'm gonna do a solid line in the middle and my little striped line, as you seen on my channel way before. There we go. Now we're gonna take the bunnies and pop them in the corners. I think those stickers are so adorable. Already really cute, I really like it. Let's open the card up. And for the inside, we're gonna take the little tag and cut it a bit. I'm gonna pop it right here. There we have that. Of course, I had to do my little lines on this as well. And just to give it a nice finishing touch, I'm gonna put some washi on this side here. By the way, while I do it, I would love to get my comment section going a bit, because I recognize I gained some subscribers. Welcome to the Flourishing family, by the way. Hi. So just let me know, what are your plans for Easter, and is there in your country any tradition to do on Easter? What is your favorite part of it? Do you even celebrate it, or are you just like, nah? Yeah, please let me know. I'm really curious. I want to know you guys a bit more. Else I feel a lot of times like I'm talking to myself, and yeah, it's sometimes a bit hard. Just spam me with your messages. I don't mind, and I try to answer as fast as I can. And since I have a lot of time on my hand right now, I'm for sure gonna answer within a few minutes. Yeah, let's cut the excess off. Okay, that looks nice and fresh. I'm thinking about using maybe this sticker because I really like it and it goes with the colors, so just go for it. Oh yeah, that's cute. Super cute. Yeah, I think I would leave it like this. I think it says enough Easter when you give this to a person for Easter. They know it's Easter, so you don't have to necessarily write down, or the card doesn't need to say Happy Easter. Also, you have enough space for text, so you can write it yourself or maybe put it in here. But this one I really like to keep it simple. Yeah, that's actually part 1 of my Easter crafting. You're gonna have 3 parts for Easter. So this is part 1. I'm gonna put this aside and film right through it. So I'm gonna treat you this week with 3 videos. I hope you're gonna like it. This is part 1. Yeah, I enjoyed today's video. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and have not such a hard time dealing in those weird days right now. And like I said, please let me know, how did you like the video? What do you do for Easter? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.